After creating your STEPN account with an activation code, the next step will be to create a Solana wallet on the app itself. To do so, you can go to the wallet icon at the top right hand corner and select wallet. You are given two choices where you can either create a new wallet or import an existing Solana wallet. If you already have a wallet like Phantom, you can go to the Security tab and select Show Secret Recovery Phrase. You can copy this phrase to your clipboard and you can paste your seed phrase on STEPN. Alternatively, you can select Create a New Wallet. After creating a passcode, you will be shown a 12-word seed phrase. It will be best to keep it in a secure place and not share this phrase with anyone. If someone else has your seed phrase, they will have access to all of your funds. I would suggest that you write this phrase on a piece of paper and keep it securely. You will be asked to verify your seed phrase. If you have not written it down yet, you can go back and verify your phrase again. Once you have typed out your seed phrase and press on confirm, you will now have a Solana wallet. This will allow you to send crypto assets via the Solana network to your STEPN account. The string of words here is your deposit address, and you can use this to send funds to STEPN. On the Settings tab, you can view your seed phrase under Backup. This will be useful if you have not written it on a piece of paper. It is possible for you to restore your wallet via another seed phrase. Once you have entered your seed phrase and the email verification code, you will be able to import your wallet. You can verify this as your deposit address will be the same on Phantom as well as STEPN. Now that you have created a wallet on STEPN, the next step will be to send funds to your account. You can check out my guide here on how you can do so.